Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we're doing like a Barbie sort of design. So I'm going to be using, oh my god, it's completely out of shot. I'm going to be using Dreamy, Frank, Candy Pink, and obviously just my normal clear and that from Glitter Planet and Nail Mate. And then the decals I'm using are from Queen of Decals, and the Chanel one is from the Pink Chanel design, and then the other one, which is like Moschino crossed with Barbie crossed with My Little Pony, I had that one custom made from her. So starting off, I've put all my tips in my little flexihand. I've used the XL tips from Glitter Planet, cut them into a coffin, and haven't really foiled much for the shape because I like to do this after, especially when I'm doing coffin. I just feel like you get a better shape. So I'm applying Candy Pink. I love this pink, it's such a gorgeous, proper like Barbie pink. And I am using my size 10 Nail Mate. You've got this brush as always. So this pinky is just going to be a full colour of this, full nail of this colour, sorry. And then the ring finger is going to be like a block nail. So I'm going to do half the nail in Candy Pink, and then I'm doing the other half with Blizzard White, because I will then be putting the Chanel decal onto this nail over the white bit. So this nail is just going to be, you've just got to put a thin base of Blizzard White down, because this nail is going to be like a full decal nail. So get all that base down. Also, just in case you haven't seen anywhere, the coloured acrylic launch for Nail Mate is the 22nd of July, 5 PM UK time. So yeah, make sure you set any alarms or anything, just so you don't miss out. I know that Lorna and Sean have been working loads to get enough stock, hopefully for the amount of people that want to order. But yes, 22nd of July, get excited. That is when phase 1 will launch. So on the index finger, we are doing a full nail of Dreamy, which is just a stunning, I don't even, it's like a rosy pink. I wouldn't call it a baby pink, I'd call it a rosy pink. It's just really nice. So I'll do a full nail of this, and then I was going to put Frank, which is a glitter, all over the top of it, but once I started to blend it down, it just looked nice like that, so I left it as a blend instead of a full cover. And Dreamy and Frank go so nicely together. Absolutely stunning. Colours are just so easy to work with as well. Like literally buttery. So I'm coming in here with Frank. Look how stunning he is. And just pull it down. Oh, it's gorgeous. These two colours just go so well. So anyway, back to the ring finger. We're going to put that white layer in. And I'll be back in a bit. Right, putting your decals into the water, or put the main one in first because I had to cut the top of the Chanel one. So once they've been in for a bit, just wet over slightly with monomer, the white, and you'll get like a tacky layer. And then you will see it sort of like adheres itself. These tweezers are so crap, I need to get some new ones. But yeah, just press down and smooth it out. Also, by the way guys, just ignore my nails, they're an absolute state. Well, my one hand is. I need to get them all off though, because I need to do a new set. So anyway, back to the design. Smooth it out where you need to and trim any excess off. Coming in with Now Makes Crystal Clear, just to cap. So I usually drain the back of my bead. Thanks, son. I usually drain the back of my bead slightly, and then I'll place it on the nail and then dip and wipe the excess off my brush back into the monomer. Just that my brush isn't flooded with liquid, but just enough to be able to move that acrylic around where I need to. So you just want to make sure you cap it all. I'm not being too fussy about the free edge of this nail at the moment because I'm going to come in and file after. So normally when I apply decals, I like to just like cap a little bit over the free edge. Then here I'm just taking the Chanel decal and putting that into the water. So while I do that, while I'm waiting for that decal to loosen up a bit, I'm going to go and cap the rest of the nails. So the pinky and the index, and then I will come back to apply that Chanel decal. And that decal is applied, so I will go ahead and cap that too. So after all of that, I'll come in and foil and buff. Now for my crystals, I like to use the Gorilla Glue because they literally do not budge at all. So the crystals that I'm using here are scatter crystals. They're one of the main places I get all my Swarvoskis from. So yeah, just got my little crystal picker thing, just seeing how that would look on the nail, this little heart shape. So I come in with my Gorilla Glue, I absolutely love it. They just don't budge at all. So I do get asked quite a lot how I get crystals to stay on. So now you all know. But please do not raid all the shops so that Gorilla Glue is out of stock everywhere. Thanks. So yeah, place your crystals. By the way, that crystal storage box that you can see is also from Glitter Planet, and there's 25 sections. They come with all the little pots, and they're stackable as well, so I've got 2. But yeah, they're so good, so good. Now coming in with my super gloss, I'm going to top coat all of the nails and cure them, and then you shall see the finished design. Oh, look at it, look at Frank. Oh. Right, okay. So 3, 2, 1, and here are the finished nails. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.